Hello everyone. Today we shall learn about nutrition in human beings. So, whatever the food that we consume or we eat, first we'll put it in our mouth where it is comprising of teeth, tongue and glands. What does this do? Teeth, it will churn, it will break the large pieces into small pieces. With the help of tongue, all the mixing happens and it is accompanied by a salivary juice. It is a secretion that has been excreted or extracted or it is being released in mouth by salivary glands. With the help of salivary juice, teeth and tongue, half of the breaking of the food happens in the mouth. Do you think can we swallow a big piece? No. Hence, with the help of teeth, tongue and salivary juice, the food is break down into small pieces and is being ingested. When we swallow the food, it enters the buccal cavity and it is called esophagus, that is a food pipe, through which the food enters into the stomach, where another acid will be waiting for us.
Breakfreesolutions, brought to you by Project Discovery, supported by Enable India and Google.